So you're in contract and we're doing an FHA 203K loan. The first thing we're going to do is get the HUD consultant out to the property so he can do the write-up called the specification of repair. That's a 35-point report that will address all the mandatory repairs required, any recommended repairs, and any desired repairs that you would like. Once that's done, he will stay involved in the whole process because he's going to help get the draws done to pay out the general contractor, and then he will also do any change orders. A change order is when something unforeseen happens and that the contractor contacts him and the lender has to approve the change order. The typical cost for your FHA HUD consultant is going to be anywhere from $400 to $1,000. It depends on the amount of the repairs of the project. And then that amount is paid when he comes to the property. It can be financed into the loan or just paid up front. Once you close, that's when we can reduce the amount to close because we can finance it. So if you have any questions, leave it in my box here, and please subscribe to my channel if you want more information.